Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to use Discord. So I'm going to show you the different elements that we have on Discord and the features. So the first part I'm going to show you is direct messages. You can access direct messages through the icon here on the top left corner. So right now I'm on direct messages, so I can directly contact my friends and text them here. So this works like any other messaging app, and you can just talk to friends. To add friends, what you need to do is go to the friends button here, and then on the list you'll click on add friend, and then you need to input their username here. So you need to know your friend's username and click on send a friend request. So this is how you use Discord direct messages. You can also talk to bots here. So this is what direct messages does. It's just like any other messaging app. So now let's go to a very important Discord concept, which is a server. So you can create your own server here, or you can discover ones here. Let us click on the Discover Servers button here. So basically, a Discord server is basically a community, and when you join a server, you're joining the community. As you can see, there are a lot of Discord servers, and they're also organized based on theme. So I'm going to choose music here, and I'm going to choose Lo-Fi Girl. So when you click on a server, you can preview it and you can join it. So if you look at the top, it currently says you're currently in preview mode, join the server to start chatting. So in order to join, we need to click the join button. And once you've joined the server, it will lead you to an onboarding process and ask information about you or ask you to pay. It depends upon the server you joined. An important point here is on the left side, you can choose the server you want to access. After you join it, all servers will be found on the left side. So I'm going to go back to chess.com here. So here, once you've joined a server, what you'll find on the left side are channels. So these channels are basically discussion points. So the ones with a hashtag on them are text-based. For instance, if I click on chess memes, these are all chess memes, and you can type your chat here, and you can like comments, and you can join the discussion here. If you scroll down and if you see an icon with a voice icon here, this is a voice channel. So if you click on it, you'll join a voice conversation with other people. So this is basically how you navigate the server and channels within them. So this is how you use the Discord direct messages, servers, and channels. If you want to change settings, what you will find is your profile on the bottom left corner, and you'll see a gear icon. And when you open up the gear icon, it will open up settings where you can change anything that you want. So this is basically how you use Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.